Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening shortcuts and tapping automation. Create a personal automation now. Choose a trigger. Time of day is simplest, so the phone changes wallpaper on schedule. Make sure you've prepped a photos album with the images you want. Grant shortcuts access to all photos if prompted. Once done, tap Add Action. Search for actions to fetch photos. Don't pause. This is the moment you assemble the workflow that will run automatically on your iPhone. Now construct the core sequence. Add Find Photos, filter by the album you made, and choose sorting. Random gives variety. Recent picks newest. Next, add Get Item and set Index to 1 so Shortcut selects a single image. Then add Set Wallpaper and choose whether to update Home, Lock, or both, toggle perspective, or still depending on image style. Make sure actions connect. Find Photos feeds Get Item, which feeds Set Wallpaper, so the image flows through automatically. Finish by disabling Ask before running so the automation runs without prompts, then tap Done. Test the automation using Run to confirm the selected image becomes your wallpaper. Make adjustments. Change sorting to random, alter trigger time, or switch Home versus Lock until it behaves predictably. If the automation does not run automatically, one key fix is to grant shortcuts full photo access and ensure background app refresh is enabled. Also reboot once, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.